Okay guys, so again, quick unboxing video of unpacking video ng dalawang items. This will be the Leatherman super tool, but a vintage one, and I think this is it. And another package is from Maxpedition, which will be one of my EDCs. Medyo bukas na to, pero I decided na i-unpack sa video para naman madagdagan yung video ko. Medyo matagal na ako hindi nakapag-upload. And naisip ko din earlier is that may nag-unbox or nag-unpack pa ba ng Maxpedition? I think lahat yata familiar na. I have the Maxpedition Colossus for about 12 years na siguro. And during that time hindi pa masyadong sabihin natin uso or widely used ang Maxpedition. Pero as of now, ang dami na ding pouches na almost similar sa or sometimes better in quality. So let's unpack this. Hindi ko na sana i-unpack kasi masyado nang madaming unboxing video regarding Maxpedition. Okay, so here it is, the Maxpedition micro packet. Medyo malaki siya sa video tingnan kasi naka-focus, but let's just see. It's pocket size actually. Kasya sa jeans mo. And then this is the billing info. And then this one is the mini pocket organizer. So eto siya, and to give you a perspective, ito yung ball pen. Buksan natin. This is the one. Medyo malaki lang tingnan sa video pero it can just barely fit a pen. So pag walang cover yung pen mo, it will definitely ink your EDC pouch. And this one, a little large. Then seems kasya pa rin sa pocket, pero medyo ano na siya, medyo malaki na siya, especially if you filled it to the brim. Ayan. So to give you an idea, let's ilagay natin yung scissors. This one. So shorts lang ako. So see, it fits on my pocket. This one can fit in my pocket pa rin. Why not? Pero if you feel it, medyo mabigat na siya. This one is the size of a big wallet siguro. Kasya sa back pocket ng jeans. And so I would dedicate this as a tools. Let me bring some of my tools here. This is not the highlight, but this is the Leatherman Raptor. Kasyang kasya. is the infamous Leatherman mat. Kasyang kasya pa rin. You can definitely insert this. See, this one goes kabila, and it still can close. Just like that. Okay, so set this aside. We are here for another Leatherman tool. So lately I'm collecting some, because not only it's Leatherman is collectible, but also it increase in value. So hopefully I did not cut anything inside. Let me just punitin na natin. Okay. So I was hoping na inilagay nung kinunan ko yung items sa box, pero no. So there's a card, carton cards. What is this? Thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Happy holidays. Okay. Para wag na masyadong humaba ang video. So hopefully from the US it did not get crushed. Wrapped in bubble. So yeah. Okay, it's taking so long kasi masyadong madaming tape. Let's cut it from here. Yeah. So you can repurpose the bubble sheet or bubble wraps para yung ibang items ko when I send it sa Pilipinas. Okay, so brand new but vintage Leatherman tool. So old school yung box. Okay, so may sticker ng seller way back. And built to tough US military specifications, 100% hardened stainless steel. Each tool is guaranteed against defects in materials and workmanship for 25 years. But let's check kung I don't want to ruin the box anymore. So usually ay ginagawa ko to. Kasi ito, yung kanto sumasabit dun sa, that's the mechanism of the box para mag-lock kahit pa paano. So okay. It's crumpled inside. Maybe the shipper did not think that that is important. Okay, so this is it. I requested it to be wrapped in bubble kasi at least it will not get crushed. So thank you, seller. Okay. So, let me check kasi for what I have known, this is late 80s release. So, at least we'll get a clue kung may date dito. Then, it's near that okay, so Leatherman, this is 1990. So, at least it's 90. Today is 2021. So, I have 3 years to get a warranty. Oops. I don't want to open this as well. Don't want to scratch kasi may metal pa rin dito sa loob. See? So this is the Leatherman tool. I think this is the PST Leatherman tool, but this is just saying it's Leatherman tool. I think this is the PST Pocket Survival Tool. Yung mga naunang model ng Leatherman. I was going to say Victorinox. Sorry. So, i-open na din natin. So, old school na old school. I don't want to break it. This is an old one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna oil this. Let's keep it that way. So, this one has a serial number. Not serial number, patent number. Those much earlier has no patent number or registry number. That is model. Those are the models na late 80s. Okay, so brand new. And let's check the tools. Yeah, it has been opened pero it's out. It's not been used, obviously. Yeah, not been used. Not been used or sharpened. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and I'll let you in a treat because I have a special edition as well to compare. This is the old one, this is the new one but re-released version of the PST. So they remade it. So this is a brand new one, Pocket Survival Tool. I will not go and remove this. I will keep it as it is, although wala yung plastic. I think it is because of the customs. They removed the plastic and check what is inside, because obviously they don't allow sharp objects to go into flights. Do sa courier na ginagamit ko. So that's out of my control, but still, this is, I think, untouched from the factory. The Leatherman pocket survival tool. The Leatherman tool. This is the old box. This is, I have not opened this as well. I will keep it as it is. Maybe 30 or 50 years from now, we'll see. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm glad na nakapag record ulit ako ng video after transferring from another house. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe as well for my future video uploads and get notified. So thank you.